Hey fellas, let's check what we have here in our house today. It's a DCD780 Dewalt Drill, and we can see the problem. It's just not working. Okay, let's check what we have here. Of course, we have the switch, we have the motor, and the brushes. So you can see the brushes looks good, but the armature commutator looks dark, so you can keep in mind that maybe we have the bad contact from the brushes. And yeah, what can we see? We can see that I have pulled out the armature, but the brush is not going down. Now I moved it and it's going down, and you can see when it's up it stucks a little bit. We can check why it stucks. Maybe the housing is bended or something. The plate, and probably is this place. I will try to sand the brush a little bit. It can be that the brush got some water damage or something, or maybe it was overheated. It can be various reasons. And we can see now that we have the brush moving. We need to check the other brush. Other brush is good. So what I will do now, I will clean the armature commutator. Just taking the sanding paper and spinning it around. Blowing it up. The ball bearing sounds dry, so I will lubricate it. Just moving some dust from it. Okay. Oopsie. Just put some grease on it and spinning the bearing around. Okay, I hope it will be good. And now we can assemble this bad boy back. Just brush some dust out from it. Now we can check if the brushes are moving. You can see that the brushes are moving when you're moving the brush holder like that. Yeah. insert the gear assembly. Okay, see, I have pushed this plate in the wrong direction. Okay, now everything seems to be fit in place. Now we can make a small test. Tries to spin. Okay, I don't want to rent a lot with the gear assembly not placed correctly. Okay, the field, everything looks good here. I hope so. I will close it. Okay, seems that we have assembled it. The tools are working. Speeds are working, so check is working, so it works again. Basically, if you do it yourself, it's a easy, free fix. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.